Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on the Profit Retriever Forex trading robot. Yes, in my last video, I showed you where I had a big drawdown, and that drawdown went further and further and further, and eventually crashed my account, or I got a margin call, and um, the drawdown just got too big for the account, and yeah, so disaster struck. But it's also a big learning curve that I've learned. The Profit Retriever is a continuous trading robot, but it's not a set and forget and leave forever robot. My settings was very aggressive at the end, as I became too greedy. But there was a big trend in the US dollar jab. I'll show you just now, and and just got so big that the retracement that happened a couple of times wasn't big enough for the Profit Retriever to recover the losses. So unfortunately, that account I started with 25,000, that went up to over 200,000, is all lost. But it's a big learning curve. So I haven't made a video for the last month because I've been searching for other ways to trade the Profit Retriever, and I think I have found something. But I'm going to make another video about that. This video is just going to be about the big crash that I had. So if we go to my FX Blue, you'll see here this big. I was at 236, and then it just bam went all the way down. And that was about after 140 days, 140 days plus. Here it says 168 days, but I don't know if that was the last trading day or what. Because if you look at my previous video, it was on 137 days or something like that. So here I was still up on the 27th of August, and then the beginning of September, there was this big crash. It was actually the US jab started trending, and there were other currencies that also started trending. It was especially over the time where the US dollar was increasing in strength quite a lot. But the lessons learned here is that what I should have done is I should have taken out some of those profits. I thought that the Profit Retriever I'll be able to trade the Profit Retriever for 7 years continuously, but that will not happen because after 140 days it crashed. So I need to change my strategy. I'm still going to promote the Profit Retriever, and I'm still going to use it. And I still think it's the answer, or the best EA I've ever seen. And it's just the way that we use it needs to be changed. I think there's many ways to use it, but I just need to find a way that suits me. But I want to show you my account. This is the US dollar jab. You can see, or yen. It was 141,000. You can see here it was just trending all the way up and up and up. So I think the solution must be somewhere with you. If I could have stopped it here, because as soon as the Profit Retriever starts selling, it will not change the direction. Although the Profit Retriever will go into a new, will show a new status, it will keep on selling while it's in a trend. So if I, for instance, say after 7 trades, decided, no, okay, let's take the loss, and I restarted it, it will start buying here, and this all would have been cashed in, and this disaster will never happen. So I think somewhere there must be a way that you must draw the line somewhere and say, I'm not going to go to 50 or 100 open positions and just take the loss and then start over. Because what I've also done is I've done some research, and I went to the set files that Forex Expert Forex provides, and I went to look because they show the whole year. They from August to the previous August, they show 12 months of trading, and I went and counted how many times there's a trend like this, and it's only about 10% of the time that you get these huge trends. So 90% of the trades is 1 to 5 trades. So if you make yourself a rule and say, I'm going to intervene after 5 trades and shut it down and restart, then you will not get this and you will not get a bust. But that's for next video. I just wanted to show you what happened. Yes, I've only got 20 from 200,000 to $24. So that is yeah, that was a disaster. I was very negative after this, but it was also, it's a learning curve. If you look at this this chart, I don't think that retracement would have been enough to recover, and it actually just went even higher. It's still going up. It's just crazy what's happening with the US dollar Japanese yen pair. But anyway, so that is the latest update. The next video will be much more positive. I've got something. I think I've got something that's working. I'm going to go back to FTMO, and I think I found something that will work for FTMO, because trading this way, starting with $250 and trying to make $1 million from that is going to take too long, and there's too much risk, because the more time you're in the market, the more you open to these funny swan events, whatever. So that's what and I've also seen in my previous comments of a previous video, other guys also suggesting that one closes the account before it gets out of hand like it did. So, but I still recommend the Profit Retriever. It's still a great forex trading robot. This is the sales page. I'll put the link in the description below. And here you can, there's a hell of a lot of detail here that you can go through. There's a guarantee and support. And like I said, the best or the cheapest way to buy the traffic retriever is not to buy it outright with $450, but to join the forum. After joining the forum for $40 a month, I think it's $40 a month now. I'm paying less because I joined 3 years ago. Then after you pay $40, then you're only going to pay $280 once off. And that's a beauty, the other beauty of this EA. It's only a once off. All other EAs that I've seen that works on this type of recipe, they want you to pay $180 per month, which is crazy. But Expert Forex has got a great deal here with a great robot. I still recommend it. And yeah, so that's an update, which is unfortunate news for this for my account. But I'm testing something that I'll show you in my next video that I'm very positive about. It's going to be some manual intervention, but I think it's going to be worth your while to wait for that next video. So yes, if this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to see my my journey in with forex trading and with the forex trading robot, the Profit Retriever. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.